So next we're going to do the background. What we'll do is we'll wet all of the edges. We'll have fairly wet paper, but I'm not touching the bird as of yet. And then we're going to go in and create a pattern with different colors that we've used already. So we're going to drop in some blue, we're going to drop in some green, drop in some blue, and we can add some gamboge to that. And this is going to help us do our pattern around the bird. Just, you know, go back and forth between your different colors that you've used so far. Whatever's on your palette. If you don't have anything on your palette, then mix something up. The only thing I would say is if you start with a bright color there, you have to repeat that bright color over here. And the reason for that is it will look disconnected if you don't do that. You can go right up to the branch at the bottom, and at the top, don't worry about going right up to it. Here we want to show the white of the bird. So we're going to go in and create kind of feathery shapes, maybe with a different brush. Let's try there. You even take one of your brushes and kind of squish it like this so that it's flat, and use that to create the feathers that are at the back of the bird. And then continue on with your bigger brush